Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to download or apply critical settings in Roblox. First, hold the Roblox app on your mobile device and tap on the info icon. Now tap on storage and cache to see how much data Roblox is using. Here, tap on clear cache to remove all temporary files that might be causing the issue. Then tap on clear storage to reset Roblox completely. Don't worry, your account progress is safe when you log back in. After that, go back and open the Play Store. Now search for Roblox in the search bar and tap on it to open the app page. Then check if there's an update available. If yes, tap on Update. This ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. Now restart your phone to refresh all background processes. Finally, open Roblox again and try playing your game. The failed to download or apply critical settings error should be gone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.